Are you confused about choosing the right platform for your brand? In this short video, let's work to get some clarity with that. Oh, by the way, also send me a message and I'll send you access to a social media platform selection template so you can make an informed decision. My name is Gerald, your digital marketing strategist. I share practical tips and creative ideas you can implement right away after watching my video. Let's get started. The first step to choosing the right platform is gaining a deep understanding of your target audience. Who are they? What are their demographics, their interests, and online behaviors? It's important to identify platforms where your potential customers spend their time, engage with content, and interact with brands. Diving into audience research techniques, from analyzing demographic data to conducting surveys and leveraging social media tools, can be very important. Knowing this will be the foundation for building a highly effective social media strategy. Every business is unique, as well as its content and target audience. It's important to align your chosen platform with the business type and content format to maximize your impact. Are you a B2B company focused on providing industry expertise? Or perhaps you're a B2C brand with visually appealing products? Different social media platforms cater to specific business types and content formats. From LinkedIn's professional networking environment to Instagram's visual storytelling potential, it is important to understand the strength of each platform and how they align with your brand identity and content strategy. And understanding this gives you insight into which platforms are most likely to resonate with your target audience, generate engagement, and drive conversions. Managing a strong social media presence requires dedicated resources and consistent effort. It's important to evaluate your team's capacity, available resources, and skill sets when selecting a platform. Are you a small team with limited resources? Or do you have a dedicated social media department? Understanding the importance of realistic resource allocation and setting manageable expectations is very important. By aligning your chosen platform with your resources and capacity, you'll be able to maintain consistent presence, create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and measure your results effectively. In the guide, we'll share tips on how to maximize your resources, outsource tasks when needed, and leverage social media tools and automation to streamline your social media management. Now, with a clear understanding of your resources, you'll be able to make strategic platform choices that allow you to shine without overwhelming your team. So no more guesswork or wasted efforts on irrelevant platforms. It's time to strategically choose the platform that aligns with your goals and audience, allowing you to stand out from a crowded social media landscape. Well guys, I hope that helps. Don't forget to send me a message and I'll send you over access to a guide for developing an effective social media strategy. Peace, love, stay awesome. Catch you guys on the next one.